Cryptocurrencies are an emerging new financial innovation that appear to be the currency of the future. Although there's a bit of uncertainty surrounding which currencies will emerge on top, or if they're even destined to stick around at all, this uncertainty is something that many people can profit on. Investing in cryptocurrency is an endeavor that stands to make an immense amount of money to the discerning investor, but the question is, how do you know which ones to invest in? Top billionaires and millionaires have invested heavily into cryptocurrencies, and the more ordinary individuals of the investing market are constantly looking to these financial gains for guidance on where to put their own money. So in today's video, we'll be looking at billionaires who revealed their crypto portfolios, and you won't want to miss any of these. But before we get into the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you don't miss any of the new exciting videos we post. Number 1. Mark Cuban. When it comes to investing in crypto, Mark Cuban has revealed that he doesn't put all of his eggs into one basket, although he does have most of his eggs in one basket. The billionaire has spoken about his doubts of the future of Bitcoin as a form of currency because its inaccessibility and other drawbacks. But he does acknowledge that the day could very well come where the cryptocurrency outranks gold as a way to safeguard wealth. And it seems that he truly believes this, as it was revealed that the wealthy Shark Tank star has invested 60% of his crypto portfolio in Bitcoin, and 60% of a billionaire's investment portfolio is no small amount. He has an additional 30% invested in the popular currency Ether, while the remaining 10% is spread across several other forms of crypto. Cuban has historically been a good predictor of tech trends, so when his crypto portfolio was revealed, investors jumped at the opportunity to buy Bitcoin and Ether. Way to be a trendsetter, Mark. Number 2. Mike NOVOGRATZ. Mike NOVOGRATZ, who is the billionaire founder and CEO of Galaxy Digital Holdings, has admitted to becoming caught up in the excitement and the novelty of the rise of cryptocurrencies. As it became obvious that alternative digital currencies were likely here to stay for the long haul, NOVOGRATZ said that he invested heavily because cryptos had a move that is a once-in-a-generation move. And I think people should understand that it's not going to keep happening over and over. Like this idea that we've gone from a non-asset class to an asset class only can happen once. And those investments definitely paid off for the billionaire, who has revealed that 85% of his net worth is currently composed of cryptocurrencies. And 85% of the billionaire's net worth is a jaw-dropping amount, almost $5 billion in the case of NOVOGRATZ. While the exact percentages of his portfolio aren't known, he has admitted to investing heavily in Bitcoin and Ether and predicts that those prices will continue to increase, as if he needs more money. Next up, Ricardo Salinas Pliego. Ricardo Salinas Pliego is none other than Mexico's second richest man, and it appears that his $13 billion fortune has been heavily increased recently by cryptocurrency investments. The billionaire's fortune is among the largest in the world, and he has recently revealed that 10% of all his liquid assets are currently in the form of Bitcoin. That's not 10% of his crypto portfolio, that's 10% of his entire wealth, which is a substantial amount. Pliego has long called himself an entrepreneur passionate about innovation and liberty, and it seems only fitting that the electrical appliance mogul would see the government reduce aspects of cryptocurrency as a worthy investment. And seeing as how 10% of his entire liquid portfolio is invested in Bitcoin, we would say that he heavily favors the leading form of digital currency. Join the club. Number 4. Tim Draper. Tim Draper is known to be a heavy investor in Bitcoin, a popular choice for tech billionaires such as himself. However, the venture capitalist has also revealed that he has several other holdings in a myriad of other forms of cryptocurrency across the market. In fact, he has long been an investor in startup crypto companies and took the investment plunge one step further than many billionaires by converting all of his public stock investments into cryptocurrency in 2019, a move that shocked many. In addition to Bitcoin, he holds Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, Tezos, Aragon, claiming that he firmly believes that the future lies in cryptocurrency and that others should get on board with securing their futures in the digital marketplace. Maybe we should do some investing ourselves. Thanks, Tim. Number 5. Elon Musk. Okay, so Elon Musk is one of the most well-known and wealthiest billionaires in the world, in case you've been in a decade-long coma, so he doubtlessly knows how to handle his cold, hard cash. But it seems that he might be converting more and more of that cold, hard cash to digital currency, especially once it was revealed that he was the former CEO of the sensationalized crypto breakout Dogecoin. However, in a move that many crypto-savvy billionaires have made, it seems that he prefers to spread his holdings out through the digital marketplace. Surprisingly, he holds only nominal amounts of Bitcoin, but has said that he's interested in creating his own form of cryptocurrency with the help of Dogecoin creators. What to get the guy who has everything? His own form of cryptocurrency, it seems. 6. Paul Tudor Jones. While some believe that cryptocurrency is a window to the future, billionaire Paul Tudor Jones firmly believes that it is the future, as in right now. The Wall Street money man has said that he believes that cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin are the only surefire way to protect against the inflation and market instability caused by the coronavirus pandemic. He has encouraged investors to buy crypto, specifically Bitcoin, on numerous occasions, and has said that he believes that it will triumph over hard money in the future. But it doesn't seem that he's willing to put his money where his mouth is. For such a staunch advocate of Bitcoin, the billionaire, worth a staggering $5.1 billion, only has about 1 to 2% of his portfolio invested in Bitcoin. You're sending some confusing signals, Paul. Number 7. Brian Armstrong. As a CEO and co-founder of Coinbase, which is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchange centers in the world, potential investors and those wishing to grow their digital portfolios are eager to see what companies the billionaire crypto magnate believes are worth his time and money. The answer? Although he has kept pretty quiet about exactly which forms his digital currency takes, we do know that he holds substantial amounts of both Ethereum and Bitcoin. He has tweeted on multiple occasions that he hopes that Coinbase will eventually be able to list every single form of available digital currency, so many people believe that he has also heavily invested in alternative forms of cryptocurrency. He's keeping things pretty hush-hush over there, isn't he? Next up, Changpeng CZ Cao. CZ Cao has taken his commitment to digital currency one step further than most other billionaires, CZ, which isn't altogether surprising, considering that he owns and operates Binance Exchange, which yields Binance Coin. In an uncommon move, CZ holds 100% of his assets in the form of cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin and Binance Coin. After investing all of his profits from the sale of his house into Bitcoin in 2013, CZ's holdings exploded with the growth of the company, and he has continued to focus all of his assets on cryptocurrency. While some billionaires are hesitant to put all their eggs in one basket, it seems that CZ has no such qualms. For his sake, we hope the future of digital currency remains stable. Number 9. Barry Silbert. While many invest in the cryptocurrencies themselves, billionaire Barry Silbert has been heavily investing in companies that are focused on controlling, exchanging, and dealing in crypto. His company, Digital Currency Group, he spent vast amounts of time and money on carefully selecting companies to invest in that represent the future of crypto. He holds holdings in Bitcoin itself and other blockchain companies, as well as Genesis and Grayscale Investments, companies that help to manage the Bitcoin market. Grayscale Investments even manages the Bitcoin Investment Trust, which holds Bitcoin for high-profile investors. It seems that Silbert is going straight to the source. Number 10. Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. While some billionaires use their incredible wealth to invest in cryptocurrencies, the Winklevoss twins are the first investors to use their Bitcoin investments to amass incredible wealth. The Winklevosses have invested in numerous crypto companies throughout the rise of the digital finance market, and it is these investments that have allowed them to become billionaires, sitting pretty on all their money and earning them the title of the first Bitcoin-made billionaires. They have continued to invest, and their wealth continues to grow, with the majority of their holdings in the form of Bitcoin, Ethereum, their founding company, the Gemini Exchange, and a handful of other cryptocurrencies and blockchain businesses. In the twins' case, Bitcoin investing is a family business. And finally, CHANTAL PALIHAPITIYA. While Bitcoin's novelty and recent increase has caused it to erupt as a source for potential investors, there are those who jumped on the trend years ago, before Bitcoin had exploded in popularity. One of these is venture capitalist and former Facebook executive Chamath Palihapitiya, who invested in the crypto conglomerate as early as 2013. In fact, he had so much faith in the then small currency that he jumped all in right off the bat, claiming to own an impressive 5% of all the circulating supply of Bitcoin at the time. His investments have paid off majorly in the long run for him, and although he has not publicly announced how much Bitcoin he currently holds, he has spoken out numerous times about the future of cryptocurrency and its likelihood as a replacement for the US dollar. He can safely say that he was a Bitcoin investor before it was cool. I mean, come on. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.